Hey guys, have you ever wondered what sets highly spiritual people apart? No? Okay, today we're diving into 5 powerful and important things they quit slowly but surely. These changes can reform your life, so stay tuned until the end to find out how you can start this journey yourself. Negative self-talk. Highly spiritual persons know that their words and speech draw their reality. They start to intercept themselves when they are being harsh and critical. Instead, they replace those thoughts with kindness and self-encouragement. It might feel unseasonable at first, but over time, it can reform your entire mindset. Toxic relationships. Spiritual people make them to recognize relationships that suck their energy and positivity. They slowly begin to distance themselves from negativity. This doesn't mean that they cut people off entirely, but it is just about prioritizing relationships that boost and inspire them. Judgment of others. Highly spiritual people focus on letting go of judgment and criticism of others. They fully understand that everyone has one own journey. By this understanding, they install a more peaceful environment for themselves and those around them. Materialism. They withdraw from materialism. Instead of following possessions, they focus on to get experiences and develop personal growth. They find happiness in simple things and learn that true joy comes from within, not from what they own. Resistance to change. And finally, they accept change. Spiritual people welcome uncertainty and see it as a way to grow. They understand that every change is a part of life, and by welcoming it, they open themselves up to new horizons. So this is all I have to say today. Please do not forget, it's a journey, and every small step is important. Let me know in the comments below, what will you start working on first? If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Take care.